beautiful people, we're right back at it. Happy New Year to you, and we have a beautiful home to show you at 2560 Yarmouth in beautiful Brookfield Gardens. As always, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who you think might like a home just like this one. What have we got today, Greg?
Well, today we've got this beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath home, 3 complete rooms, all finished in the basement, 2 kitchens, 2 full bathrooms. It's amazing inside for that multi-generational family.
Absolutely, and a huge private yard. But let's stop talking about it. We'll go inside and have a look. Walking right in the main door, there's this great feeling of openness. Everything is instantly open. We've got this awesome living room, parquet hardwood floors, which are coming back in style as a matter of fact, and an amazing window looking right out the front, overwatching the entire neighborhood, the comings and goings. It connects really well back with a great sized dining room here to enjoy a great meal with your family.
And just a few steps down the hall, Sean, we've got these 3 beautiful sized bedrooms, lots of big windows, all this natural light flooding into the halls, and we've got this huge linen closet at the end of the hall to store all your face cloths, bath needs, and this 3-piece bathroom that everyone can share on the main level.
Now, one of the great things about this kitchen is it's been designed to include the washer and dryer up here, which allows for someone else to live downstairs with a kitchen, a washer, a dryer, multi-generational living at its absolute finest. Not to mention, a few steps down, you've got your other side door for easy access.
That's right, we've got this door right here that leads you right outside, but directly to the basement, so there's no need to interrupt anybody upstairs if you want to come in on those late nights. One of the great features about this finished basement is this great kitchen. It's got everything you could possibly need. You're watching the football game in the other room and you come on over here, cook up some snacks like everybody wants. It's perfect.
And you don't have to lose your visibility from the kitchen into the living room. Roast the chestnuts by a cozy fire or play a game of cards at the table here. This flex space is great.
So we've got 3 finished rooms down here, which you could use as an office, or like we've got right here, set it up as a gym.
You could even set this one up as another gym. Home office, work from home, whatever it is, we've got great space here.
And at the other end of the house, we've got the biggest room of all. Anything's possible down here. I even see you putting in a day bed down here.
And what might be the best feature of this entire basement is this updated bathroom. Oh my goodness.
And like we mentioned earlier, second set of washer and dryer downstairs for anybody who wants to spend time in the family room, kitchen area down here. Why not do some laundry while you're waiting?
And this backyard space is great. Not only do we have a carport headed back here, but we've got so much privacy. You look around and really no one can see you in your backyard. What might you be doing in your backyard, Greg?
Well, the perfect area over here, Sean, is this beautiful gazebo that we've got. What a better place to put your hot tub. Listening to the rock garden beside you, zen.
Amazing. So if you'd like to book your own private showing, as always, give us a phone call. The number 1-888-REAL585. And until then, keep it real.
Collective.